Welcome to the Naseems Accountants YouTube channel, where we share practical insights to help individuals and businesses make confident financial decisions. If you've reached the point where the idea of running your own business feels like more than just a dream, you're not alone. You may have spotted a gap in the market, want greater independence, or perhaps your side hustle is starting to grow into something bigger. Whatever your motivation, taking time to understand the practical aspects of starting a business can help you avoid costly surprises later on. In this video, we'll walk through some of the key areas to consider when starting a business in the UK. One of the first decisions is choosing the legal structure for your business. In the UK, most new businesses begin either as a sole trader, a partnership, or a limited company. Each structure has its own advantages and disadvantages. Your choice can affect how you pay tax, how profits are taken from the business, and the level of personal financial risk you take on. Taking time to review your expected income, business activities, and long-term goals can help determine which structure may be most suitable. Setting up accounting and bookkeeping systems. Good financial records are essential for any business. They help you monitor business performance and ensure you meet your legal reporting obligations. Many new businesses now use cloud-based bookkeeping software which can connect directly to business bank accounts and store digital copies of receipts. This can make record keeping faster, more accurate, and much easier to manage. Understanding VAT. VAT is another area where early planning is important. Businesses must register for VAT once their taxable turnover exceeds the VAT registration threshold over a rolling 12-month period, or if it will exceed the threshold within the next 30 days. However, some businesses choose to register voluntarily earlier. VAT registration can affect your pricing, cash flow, and competitiveness, so understanding how it works before reaching the threshold is important. Running payroll. If your business plans to employ staff, you will need to operate a payroll system. This may also apply if you run a limited company and take a salary as a director. Running payroll involves calculating pay, deducting PAYE tax and national insurance, reporting to HMRC each pay period, issuing payslips, and potentially managing workplace pension contributions. Although payroll systems are straightforward to set up, they do come with ongoing responsibilities. Understanding your tax obligations. Tax obligations will depend on the structure of your business. Sole traders pay income tax and national insurance on their business profits. One area that sometimes surprises new business owners is the payment on account system, which can make the first tax bill higher than expected. Limited companies, on the other hand, pay corporation tax on their profits, and directors pay personal tax on any income they take from the company. This means that planning how profits are withdrawn from the business can make a significant difference to your overall tax position. Cash flow planning. A business may appear profitable on paper but still struggle if cash is not available when it is needed. For example, suppliers may need to be paid immediately while customers take longer to settle invoices. Cash flow forecasting can help you predict periods where finances may be tight and plan ahead to avoid unnecessary pressure. Accessing finance. Many new businesses require some form of finance, whether for equipment, premises, or working capital. Options can include startup loans, business overdrafts, leasing, or hire purchase arrangements. Lenders will usually want to see a clear business plan and organized financial records before approving finance. Starting a business can be an exciting step, but there are many financial and tax considerations to think about. Getting the foundations right from the beginning can make a significant difference to your long-term success. If you are planning to start a business and would like guidance, book your free consultation with Naseems Accountants on 01217714161 or visit naseems.co.uk. We would be happy to help you start your business with confidence.